Group trips are great, but organizing them is hard. You can waste days on ineffective promotion, get lost in endless email chains, and constantly chase participants for money. Is there a better way? WeTravel makes managing and promoting trips painless and easy. Create a beautiful booking page for your trip in minutes, because a great presentation is a must to attract participants. Indicate a destination, set a price, deposit, and other add-ons. Select what information you need from the participants, such as phone numbers or meal preferences. Promote your trip via email, social media, or any other channel. Participants sign up through WeTravel and pay securely with their bank account or credit card. We process payments for as low as 1%, saving you thousands in credit card fees. You can even integrate our booking widget directly in your own site by copying just one line of code. But the real lifesaver is our dashboard. It makes planning so much easier. No more manual spreadsheets or email chains. Use it to easily see who has signed up, issue refunds, manage cancellations, and set custom prices. You can also export all data to Excel. When you need your travelers to pay up, don't chase people down for money. Our automated payment plans make sure that participants pay their installments on time, so you can focus on what's important. And when you are ready, transfer the funds to your own account or directly to a travel vendor through a bank transfer or even an international wire transfer. You worked hard to build an amazing brand. With WeTravel, you'll save time and thousands in processing fees, all while keeping your brand front and center. Create your booking page now, or contact us for a demo.